So starting from time. A measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues, known as time. There are two clock hour systems. 12-hour clock. AM is the time period between midnight 12 am and noon 12 pm. Between noon and midnight is PM, and next is 24-hour clock. 1 pm is 13, 4 pm is 16, 11 pm is 23. To read time, we may use both analog and digital clocks. Such type of clock is known as analog clock, and such type of clock is a digital clock. Analog clock. It works in 12-hour system. It goes round once for AM and once for PM. A new day begins at midnight 12 am. Each number on the minute hand is worth 5 minutes. Individual minute indications can be seen on some clocks. For example, like this. Working with time. Time does not operate like the rest of the number system based on tens, hundreds, and so on. Computations can be difficult. There are 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, 365 days in a year, 366 days in a leap year. You should be aware of the number of days in each calendar month. The following rhyme will help you to remember. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. February has 28. But leap year coming 1 in 4. February then has 1 day more. Calculations in 12-hour system. Work in increments of time. Calculate the minutes till the following hour, then the complete hours, and finally the minutes until the end time. Worked example of working with 12-hour system. How long in hours and minutes are there between 4:30 pm and 11:45 pm? Now work in increments of time. 4:30 to 5, there are 30 minutes. Add complete hours. So 5 to 11, these are 6 hours. Now remaining minutes from 11 to 11:45 is 45 minutes. Now you have to add 30 minutes, 6 hours and 45 minutes. So it will be 7 hours and 15 minutes. So there are 7 hours and 15 minutes in between 4:30 pm and 11:45 pm. Examination tip. You can solve such questions with the help of a calculator. For example, the previous question can be solved like this: 11 hours and 45 minutes minus 4 hours and 30 minutes. So the answer is 7 hours and 15 minutes. Also, you can use your calculator to verify your answer. Calculation in 24-hour system. Work in time chunks exactly as the 12-hour clock computations. Calculate the minutes till the following hour, then the complete hours, and finally the minutes until the end time. Worked example. How long in hours and minutes are there between 7:23 and 18:43? Now calculate the minutes until the next hour. So from 7:23 to 8, there are 37 minutes. Add whole hours. So from 8 to 18, there are 10 hours. Now proceed with remaining minutes. So from 18 to 18:43, there are 43 minutes. Now add 37 minutes, 10 hours and 43 minutes. So it will be 11 hours and 20 minutes. So there are 11 hours and 20 minutes in between 7:23 and 18:43. You can solve such questions with the help of a calculator. So 18 hours and 43 minutes minus 7 hours and 23 minutes. The answer is 11 hours and 20 minutes. Test yourself. Question number 1 is, when the local time in Athens is 9, the local time in Berlin is 8. A plane leaves Athens at 13:15. It arrives in Berlin at 15:05 local time. Find the flight time for Athens to Berlin and give your answer in hours and minutes. It's a 1-mark question. Question number 2. Here is part of a train timetable for a journey from London to Marseille. The local time in Marseille is 1 hour ahead of the local time in London. Table is given. Work out the total journey time from London to Marseille and give your answer in hours and minutes.